Alright, so I've decided a while ago that I wanted to start growing my beard out. It's been 3 months. Let's call it 3 months. It's really itchy. Like, oh man. But I really want to keep it. I want to see how long I can go. I ordered some beard oil. Heard it's what I need to do. I got this. I was doing some research and looking at some companies, and I came across a company called Grave Before Shave, and it just caught my eye. They had a really good aesthetic, as they say. It was like skulls and just, I don't know, just looked cool. So I was like, all right, this is my company. I'm gonna give it a shot. I ordered what they call the Work Week Oil Pack. It's $34.99. Not bad for 5 1-ounce bottles of beard oil, different scents, and I just got them. So let's open it up. I would say that the packing was pretty good, double bubble wrapped, and then each individual oil was bubble wrapped as well. Came in about 2 days from California. I'm in Florida, so that's not bad. It came a day before that the shipping said it was gonna come, so I can't complain one bit at all. Stickers. I love stickers. That's why I ordered directly from the company instead of Amazon, because I don't know if I ordered from Amazon if I would have got these stickers, but like, look at that. It's so cool. Like, I love the skulls and the pirates and the Vikings and I love it. So I'm so glad that they sent these. And then this is my favorite one by far. Let me turn that light down a little bit. I like it. So now on to the oils themselves. Really good packaging. Yeah. This one is the Gentleman's Blend, a bourbon and sandalwood, which I'm pretty excited about because I love whiskey bourbon. It's my favorite drink. It's what I go to. So, yeah, it smells really good. I like the Gentleman's Blend. That is a good scent. I can't wait to try these out. Let's move on to the next one. Pine scent. Now, the pine scent is pretty much what it sounds like. It's pine and cedar, which pretty cool. Scent's a little bit stronger on this one than the Gentleman's Blend, but if you like pine, like Christmassy, it's good, which I really do enjoy it. Moving on up to the other side. We're going to the next one. This one is OG Scent, which they call citrus, which is a rosemary with a lemongrass afternotes, which I'm down for citrus. Pretty cool looking bottle. Like I said, their aesthetic was so cool. That's why I chose this company. And that's like the normal beard oil that I have always normally smelt. I've only ever tried one other one. I really got this for the itch, but who doesn't like to smell good? I told you, it was good packaging. Alright, on to the next one, which is going to be the Viking Blend, which is no added aroma, which is just going to be the natural sense of the oils, which is still a really cool looking bottle. There's just like no scent there at all, really, actually. Alright, on to the last one. And then I'll make my decision of which one is my favorite one so far without trying them on me. And then I'll put that one on, And then I'm gonna go to bed and get ready for work tomorrow. Got band practice right after work. Oh yeah, this one smells good already. Oh yeah, this one's strong. This one is the Bay Rum, the one I was excited for. Yeah, it's probably gonna be the one I put on tonight too. I'm really excited for this one. Oh yeah. Smells like a barber shop in my opinion. Ah, it smells so good though. Alright, let's go. Oh man, this is gonna be a hard choice. They all smell so good. Gentleman's Blend. Yeah, this one's good. OG. Oh, it smells good. It does. Pine. Viking, which has no really scent at all. Yeah, we're gonna put the Bay Rum in today. I'm good. I swear I am. Forgot my little comb too. This thing is like all I have right now, which is probably not the greatest thing in the world for it. Got my hair tie. I am gonna buy some more stuff from this company just because I do really like the company. I am probably gonna get one of their like bristle brushes, which will probably help. My next purchase, honestly, is gonna be the beard shampoo and possibly conditioner, because right now I'm just using like Head and Shoulders. And I want to get something dedicated to beards. So let's do this. I've always had facial hair, but I've never rocked a beard. I've always rocked like a 3. Never really tried to grow it out, so now I'm gonna try and grow it out. I like all these things. I just want to grow it out. I can do it. I just gotta get past this itchy stage. So we're gonna do some Bay Rum tonight. Stuff smells so good. Alright guys, it's in. Feels nice. It's not as wiry. It smells really good. I'm excited to just let this thing grow. I'm gonna try and just, that's what I'm gonna try and make my channel about. Beards, music. I'm really excited to get a different brush. This thing kind of tears a little bit, If anybody has any tips, tricks, any helpful ideas to, just help this either look better or just feel better, not itch as much, look as more professional, because I am in a, I do work. I gotta look somewhat presentable. I usually don't like being oily, but this stuff actually feels really good. Like, I like it. Oh yeah. Guys, I'm gonna make a video every day this week. I'm gonna try to, and get it uploaded to the YouTubes. If you could hit the like, subscribe, the bell, whatever it is you gotta do, join me for my ride. Motivate me. Make me do this. I've always said I wanted to start making YouTube videos, and I've just never actually done it. Help me give you guys content. Wayne Bailey, I like your product. I think it's a great product. I'm gonna buy more from you. Keep sending me stickers because I really like the stickers.